It's easy, it's not so bad.
Right, Ethan, so I want 2 toadstools, mate, on the edge.
Okay, yeah.
Your hands like this.
Okay, yeah. Like that, right?
3, 2, 1, bungee, on bungee. Put yourself forward, arms out in front of you.
Yeah.
Where you go. So bungee,
Okay.
and you're diving into a swimming pool.
Okay, got you. Alright.
Arms in front of you.
Easy part!
Easy, head first, not feet first.
Okay.
And don't touch that stick.
Alright, got you. Yeah. Okay.
What'd you do?
What do? I'm a factory worker, so nothing that special, but yeah.
What do I do, mate? Which factory?
In Grantham, Moy Park. About 3 months now. Yeah, it's better now I'm doing boardings.
Rather nice.
Yeah. Easy bar! Alright. Do this. Yeah, Moy Park's that's not thinking about it right now. Alright. Okay. Right.
On the edge,
How can I do? Yeah, yeah. Ready?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Right.
Guy.